What's up, my mobile detailing people? It's Wayne back again with another detailing video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the pros and cons of running a detail shop. Let's get into it.
All right, Wayne. So, how long have you had a shop?
It's going on about two months. It's going on about 2 months. So
How did this opportunity come to you?
So Ace Car Wraps, he called me randomly out of nowhere, like, "Hey man, you looking to get into a shop? I need a little support on this rent, you know?" So I was just like, "What? Where is it at? You know, give me all the details." And he was just like, "Hey, tomorrow we're gonna have a meeting. Just come through." And he ended up shooting me some videos, some pictures, told me the specs, and it ended up being 5 minutes down the street from my house. Sheesh. So I was like, "Hey, this is it right here. I'm able to transport everything, move back and forth. It's right down the street from the house." Went down there, looked at everything checked out, and made that move. So this is how we got here, from one phone call.
Got it. Now, how much is your shop overhead? Your business, because you have a shop, but now you have both vans running.
Mm-hmm.
You have more employees.
Yes, sir.
Dang, Wayne, how much? You know, you spending what?
It's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. So it's $2,500 for the shop. So what I get here is a spot to detail my cars. It's not too big of a spot. You know what I mean? I'll show you guys. Also, I get half of the shop in here. So I'm going to be selling products with half of the shop here. I got an office space which we are sitting in right now that me and Ace Car Wraps we share, and $2,500 for that.
Just for that.
Just for that, yeah. In a break room and a waiting area for when clients come in and drop their vehicles off. So,
what about employee overhead?
Employee overhead?
Roughly.
It's about the same.
Yeah.
About $2,000 to $2,500, depending on what the work days look like. So that's already what, like $5 right there, huh?
Alone,
Woo, come on.
And then let's not forget the
gas.
products. Gas is going up.
Gas, products, my own bills. I don't know if we want to keep that separate.
Yeah, that's separate. The marketing.
The marketing.
Because you do use Google Ads.
That's another $500. We got gas. That's another $500.
All right. I think they got the hint, bro. It's pricey.
Y'all got the hint, man. So I got to be making at least double. You know what I mean? To really be getting by. We made our most the 2 months that we've been here.
2 months in the shop.
Yes, sir.
Has it actually brought you business, or are you still building it up?
You know what? That's the area I've been slacking in. It's been benefiting me because when it gets dark, you know what I mean? I don't want to be out there. It's been benefiting me being able to squeeze in more work. People dropping their cars off and they're like, "Hey, you can keep it for 2 days." It benefits me when it's raining and I can still work on interiors. So right now, it hasn't really benefited me too much because people don't know I'm here, and trying to figure out that transition on letting people know and trying to figure out if I'm gonna have the shop ready for the grand opening. But I think I just need to go ahead and just announce it, you know, so people can, I want to get a flow of traffic coming in here that just wants to get their car clean, and they're gonna sit here and wait and stuff. You know, that's the vision pretty much. But I'm actually been losing money because I haven't announced it. So Ray has been getting on me like, "Hey brother, what's going on? We ain't got, like, time is money. You can't be having everything in line and in order. You gotta let people know, get some traffic in here, you know." So that's what I'm gonna do with flyers coming to a city near you. Stay tuned for the barbecue, you know, or whatever we got going on. We're gonna have a meet and greet, music. I'm speaking it. So y'all stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram when I announce it.
All right,
yes,
man.
sir.
So, what's your biggest struggle having a shop right now?
The biggest struggle.
Is it having enough money, or is it what do you do with a shop?
It's a variety of things,
Yeah.
actually. And I try not to allow it to get to me because I'm still moving forward. I'm still growing. So, of course, the money management, making sure I'm not spending too much on chemicals, making sure I'm telling employees to go home and not hanging around because they're on the clock. organizing stuff here in the shop, getting organized. So just everything that you could think of, because I'm new to business. So I'm learning every little thing that you could think of. So anybody that owns a shop out there that has any advice for me on promoting, advice for me on getting organized and on the shop a certain way, on how to run, just everything, comment it down below.
So you just talked about how you're still learning.
Yeah.
Do you know where you want to be at the end of the year? Or you're just trying to see where you're at in the next couple months?
Sheesh, I want to have everything ready by summer. I'm gonna be honest.
Like what and why?
Okay, I'm gonna speak it so you guys can visualize it. So there's gonna be about 3 tents on the side of this building. Traffic's gonna be able to come through the gate. It's gonna lead them. They're gonna see all the flags and signs come this way. They're gonna be able to park the car. I'm gonna have generators out there. I'm gonna have the vacuums in each sections, the pressure washers. I'm gonna have workers here, stationed here. I'm gonna have the vans going out. I plan on having multiple vans, 3, 4 vans, however many. And I plan on having payroll, people doing payroll, all that stuff. I'm planning on having people come in to fill up their water tanks, to where you can come in and say, hey, I need this many gallons of water. People are gonna be come in, buy supplies. It's gonna be a supply store. Pretty much everything that you could think of. Is going to be classes here where people can learn how to do polishing, all that kind of stuff. So all the works, it's all going to be here. I'm speaking it. You guys visualize it and watch it come to pass.
Dang,
come on, it's gonna happen.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Okay, so next thing is, a lot of detailers.
Yes, sir.
They get started on detailing. They want to shop. What advice do you have for them now that you do have a shop? Should they wait or should they get a shop ASAP, in your opinion?
Like I said before, it's not for the weak. If
Yeah.
you ain't grounded in your vision and you not built strong, you will not make it. You will break down. You will be like, I give up. And so the advice I can give you, you got to be strong and you got to be planted with Christ, honestly. That's why I say you got to have a strong relationship with God and make sure your objective on why you want all this is a good reason. Do you want all this just to have a lot of money, to buy cars, clothes, houses, to show off? Then it's all bad. But my objective is to give back to those in need. So mine is rooted in kingdom work. So I believe my business is blessed because I have an objective on what I want to do for kingdom work. So yeah, I can't really give too much advice because I'm still figuring it out as I go, and I haven't figured it all out. So as I go, I'll update you guys on what you should do and what you shouldn't do. So yeah. All right, you guys, that's the pros and cons of running a detail shop. This is only the beginning, so there's much more trial and error, learning, growing. Any advice you guys got for me for being a new shop owner, for the people that own shops out there, and even for the people that work in shops out there? Comment down below. Let's learn and grow together as usual. And y'all stay tuned for the next video. Let's get it.